Right everyone, good morning. Doing the high level on this house today. Facia, soffit, guttering, insulating. It's me, Billy and Joe. Hey! We got Eurocell, delivery. This house is getting rendered, 100mm insulation, PIR system. Got Eurocell here now. We got our delivery. Taking all the pins out first. Billy's on fire, you can see the steam coming off him. Boys have already taken the guttering off. So he's going to take the pins off. This one's nearly out. Joe was struggling, so I told him leave it, move on to the next. Taking this side off. It's pretty clean to be fair. We're going to take the soffit off. We're going to insulate in there. You'll see when we get to it. Stay tuned. See how Joe's getting on. Deliver this to him so he can start cutting them up. Should be on it already. Let's have a look. Incoming. Look at that gap too. Listen, it's their driveway, so you need to make sure them gutter clips get a drill and just undo them, but yeah, we can't just slap them off and have it all on the driveway. They'll get a puncture. Yeah. I need to go get the insulation from the other house that we done yesterday. Bit of soffit. Marking the rafters, the insulation. Billy, have you marked the front? Have you marked the front, mate? Yeah, I'm just doing halfway and then I'll start cutting these. Cut into strips, ready to go up. You see me and Billy fire them in now, watch. Look at him picking his bogey. I'm recording that. You look very good, Billy. Right, I'm ready to go, Extra. Shout me the numbers.
265.
Yep.
297.
Yep.
285.
Yep.
And 303.
Got it. Oh, shit, bro. Look at Billy. Why don't you put it in nicely? No, take your time, put it in nicely, no problem. Then you don't have to come back on yourself, you get what I mean? Yeah.
294. I don't know if you can see this down here.
Go on. No, I can't see it. I don't know.
261. And then 317.
Put them nicely and straight, yeah? I'm sorry, mate. Numbers.
240.
Yeah,
300.
yeah.
275. There's one more I can't see.
Just got to put the triangles in, and this front side is basically done. We'll put one little one in there, going into the neighbouring wall. Done. Just got to put bits of triangles in where we haven't, but we use them out of our little offcuts that we end up being left with. We've got a limited amount, so we're just trying to stretch these 3 boards and trying to get them to do the whole house, hopefully. Put the spring line on. The gutter clips are going in, all at 850mm wide. Got the running outlet in there. We always replace the running outlets. Sorry I'm talking like this, I've got screws in my mouth. If I open them up anymore, the screws will drop out. We've got one more clip there, another one up there. Guttering going on. Mission trying to get over this, it's just dangerous. Oh. Let's get a union on this bad boy. Get another length there, and we're good to go, Flo. Oh,